As part of a big plan to improve education for Uhumwonde local government area, the executive chairman, Honorable Iredia Benjamin Osas, don officially flag off the construction of 6 classroom blocks for Aruosa primary school wey dey Azagba community. Community leaders, men, women, and even school pikin dem gather well to welcome the Chairmo. Some political leaders and traditional rulers for the area also follow dey there as in laying foundation. As he talk to Tori people after the flag off, Honorable Iredia talk say the school don't suffer lack of enough classroom for more than 15 years. He say some classrooms them divide them into 2 just to fit plenty pikin where they come school. Him say since he enter office, he don't make am clear say he go make sure say pikins them for the area get better place to learn. He still talk saying they personally check schools to make sure say teachers they do their work, and he also thank Governor Monday Okpewolo sake of say him they pay teachers salary on time. The Chairmo still and say plans dey on ground to improve some other areas for the local government. He mentioned the recent road project where Governor just flag off for East North as example of wetin dem dey do. He talks say Uhumwonde local government dey benefit well from the support of the current state government.
Well, first and foremost, now my community. For so many years, over 15 years, we don't get this problem. Say classroom not reach for our children to sit, or made them for get to sit down, made them learn on a daily basis. From waiting we get for here, if you look inside, you'll discover, say, one classroom, we can't get to share into 2, make our children fit, accommodate them. May not be say they can't learn for outside. So we don't get this problem for over the years. And now where I become chairman, God say, may we can start our own house. May we still make sure, say, our children, they comfortable for our community. Just as we will see extend to all other communities where they will own their local government. Oh, yes, very well. About 2 or 3 weeks ago, I still waka reach here, as I still waka go some other schools, just to monitor, say, our teachers where Senator Monday Okpewolo, they make sure, say, he quick pay them their salaries, just like they pay other workers' salaries. Say that they do their work, they make sure, say, they take care of our children, and make sure, say, they learn for good learning conditions. So we always go around, and so we don't take note of the challenges where many of these our schools for Uhumwonde local government get. As you know, Uhumwonde local government are about the closest local government to the city center. In fact, now they welcome everybody where they come from outside we state, whether they come from Abuja or Kogi or they come from Asaba or Nicha. Now, our local government, you go first meet before you enter the city. So we want to make sure, say, for our own time, Uhumwonde local government, they work again for our people, so that we go physically enjoy for this local government. Well, there is no other message other than to still tell them thank you, that they cooperate with me as their pikin, that they cooperate with Uhumwonde local government, that they cooperate with Edo state government. They're happy for Senator Monday Okpewolo for the good work they do. And for those of us who follow us go flag off Egwaolo Ozanisi Road yesterday with our governor Akpako Rescue, we know say we for Uhumwonde, now we they really benefit this in government. Where.
One person for Azagba community also yarn Tori people. He thanked the Chairmo and state government and said the whole community they happy. He yarn say na community originally build the school, and to hear say government won't build modern classroom block na better surprise.
Azagba happy for this project where it really shows say the council chairman really the work. We don't start to see the handwork, both grading and how they do and since. We surprised we tell us say government want to build school here. We say na play. But today, it don't come reality. So we thank him. We thank him well. God will bless him. God will also bless the government of the day. Because the government of the day, now he remember us. That's why he use it to remember us. God will bless him. He will bless all workers where they work for long. Very well. We know. Say he will bring development. Many people where they go school, where they here not carry them again now, they go other place. They not go other place again now. Now all of them will come back here now at the school, don't they here. We all beg government, make God do and give them money, make they take complete them. So that other project, no say Oliver ask for more. Azagba city now, not be village again. So we will still time to come. May God still let them stay for there. We will still ask for secondary school. But for this one, we thank am well well, we thank the government of the day. Yes, challenge dey. Even if you see the school now, wey dey distance so, na community effort na we fit take build am. But na past government put chair. Ever since, we no get another help here again. We surprised now wey government say they wan come build this school. And as they wan even build am, no be small one, big one. So challenge dey right from time. But by God's grace now, the challenge don go when it comes to education.
The Uhumwonde of Azagba, Nosa carry a VIK, praise the Chairmo for keeping him word. He talks say past government don't make promises wey dem no keep, but this one shows say better change don't come. He also thank the governor for the good work wey they do.
They're very happy for this project. Like my brother rightly said, we no expect am. They tell us say they will come build primary school. We not even because that's what they talk am before. So, but we surprised say wetin talk can come to reality. Now we did so. So I want to use the opportunity to appreciate our brother, Chairman Benjamin Iredia. God will bless him. Because a true effort now this project take come. And I want to also appreciate our governor, because as he put the matter to government house, if governor no approve am, if or not say, this project will not come to reality. So I want to appreciate all of them. I want to appreciate all the workers who still they work follow government. May God bless all of you, and may God also bless Azagba community. May God bless Edo State.
The director of works from one local government, engineer Edosa Lucky, confirmed say them don't already pay for the project complete. He assured say them go finish the work within the time where them plan am.
We are here today for the laying of the foundation of this block of 6 classrooms under the chairmanship of Honorable Usas Iredia. And the project is also made possible by the state governor. And as a result of that, we are on a full swing to make sure that this project is not delayed and is completed within the specified time. And it's going to be so because the chairman has made sure that the project, the company handling the building, they have been mobilized fully for this job. So there will be no stoppage of this job. It's a block of 6 classrooms, headmaster's office, store, and toilets inclusive, about 6 toilets for the project. We definitely, by God's special grace, within 2 months, we should be through with this job.
Pikins them from Aruosa Primary School also show their joy with one special presentation to the Chairmo. Them happy where say the school where them they go soon turn better learning environment.
Azagba. On the occasion of the flag of ceremony of the construction of a new block of 6 rooms with 8 chair office. Of protocol duly observed. A big thank you to our esteemed and visionary council chairman, Honorable Iredia Osas Benjamin. With the pupils of Aruosa Primary School Azagba, express our heartfelt gratitude for laying the foundation of a new block of 6 classrooms with 8 teacher office, toilet and bedroom, where facility, perimeter fencing and renovation of the existing block of classrooms. This landmark project will not only enhance our learning environment but also provide us with the idea setting to achieve academic excellence and unlock our full potential. Your unwavering comment to education and of leadership, education and community development is a shining example of leadership and vision. Thank you for investing in our future believing in us and empowering us to succeed. We are thrilled to see this project come to life and make a lasting impact on our school and community. Thank you.
Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimo, TMC News.